Standing as a sentinel over the River Thames, the Tower Bridge is more than just a crossing. It's a testament to human ambition, engineering brilliance, and the timeless allure of London. In the late 1800s, London was a growing metropolis. The need for a new bridge became undeniable. Designed by Sir Horace Jones and engineered by Sir John Wolfe Barry, Tower Bridge was born. A blend of Gothic Revival architecture and groundbreaking mechanics. In 1894, after 8 years of construction, the bridge opened to the public, marking a new chapter in London's history. The bridge's design is both aesthetic and functional. Its twin towers stand 213 feet tall, housing the machinery that once lifted the bascules, allowing tall ships to pass. Today, this feat of Victorian engineering continues to amaze visitors. With each rise of its 1,200-ton bascules, Tower Bridge reminds us of its enduring legacy. Today, Tower Bridge is more than just a pathway. It's a symbol of resilience, connecting the modern city to its rich past. Tourists flock here, capturing the beauty that merges history with the contemporary skyline. Over the years, Tower Bridge has become an icon of London, featured in countless films, celebrated during global events, and immortalized in art and photography. The Tower Bridge is more than just steel and stone. It's a storybook of London's past, present, and future. A marvel of ingenuity and a beacon of beauty. If this iconic landmark captured your imagination, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know which place in London you'd like us to explore next. Until then, keep wandering and discovering.